this is a PSA to you detailers that offer water spot removal by doing like an acid wash or a water spot remover. And we're talking about vehicles that have etched water spots, not just some regular water spots that you can wipe off. When you have etched water spots on the clear coat, what does that actually mean? It means you have these little rings in your clear coat that ate through your clear coat just a little bit, creating these little craters. And then there's mineral buildup around the rings. That's how you physically see the etched water spots. Now, when you're doing the acid wash, you're removing the mineral buildup, but the actual etching is still there. So when you're charging, when I see these detailers charging and they don't know what they're doing, these guys are not knowledged, because anybody can become a detailer nowadays, right? With zero knowledge. Doing these acid washes, you're removing the mineral buildup, but the little craters are still there. The only way to remove that is by polishing. Yes, it's going to look nice after acid wash. Once the wax wears off, and I know the wax is going to wear off because most of you guys use some cheap waxes, and once the car gets dirty again, there's going to be mineral buildup again around those same little craters, and the problem's back. The customer's going to be pissed. You charge them $300 just to remove the water spots, but they come back a week or two later once the car gets dirty, because you did not address the actual issue. You need to polish that out. A one step, sometimes a paint enhancement, depends on the clear coat hardness. Polishing is the only way to get the water spots out. You need actual physical abrasion to remove those little craters. You cannot do that with acid. So before you guys call yourselves professional, you guys gotta know these things, know what you're offering, and people gotta know who they're hiring, because you're unintentionally scamming the customer. I've seen two videos give horrible advice. One of the perfect examples of why a large following on any social media doesn't equate to actual knowledge.